Welcome to HouseLuxe Estate, your guide to navigating everyday challenges with ease and insight. Here at HouseLuxe Estate, we're dedicated to offering you the best advice and strategies to enhance your daily life. Our mission is simple: to empower you with knowledge that saves time, reduces stress, and improves efficiency. Today, we delve into a crucial topic that resonates with many: time management. We'll uncover the top 10 ways people might be wasting your time, and how you can reclaim it. First on our list, unnecessary meetings. Imagine sitting through a meeting that drags on without a clear agenda. Sounds familiar? These are the notorious time eaters in the professional world. Often meetings are scheduled out of habit rather than necessity, leading to hours of productivity lost in discussing matters that could have been resolved with a simple email. Now, how can one navigate this maze of unnecessary meetings? First, it's crucial to assess the agenda of a meeting before accepting the invitation. If the objectives aren't clear or seem trivial, it might be worth suggesting an alternative communication method. For instance, asking, "Could this be covered in an email or a quick call?" can save everyone valuable time. Moreover, if you find yourself organizing a meeting, ensure to set a clear, concise agenda. This practice not only respects your time, but also that of your colleagues. Remember, if it can be said in an email, it probably should be. Next up, dealing with others' procrastination. Have you ever been ready to roll on a project, only to find yourself stalled, waiting on someone else to take the next step? This common scenario can be a significant drain on your productivity. When team members or collaborators drag their feet, entire projects can screech to a halt, and unfortunately, your time gets siphoned off, along with the delayed tasks. The solution? Setting clear, firm deadlines from the get-go. When you establish precise expectations for when tasks need to be completed, it introduces a sense of urgency and responsibility. But don't just set them and forget them. Implement follow-up tactics. Regular check-ins can work wonders. These don't have to be long or formal. A quick message or a 5-minute meeting can keep things moving. Moreover, these check-ins help hold everyone accountable and ensure that procrastination doesn't derail the workflow. Set expectations early to keep everyone on track. Number 3, indecisiveness. Ever found yourself in a swirl of maybes and what-ifs? Indecisiveness isn't just a personal quirk, it's a silent clock eater. When decisions aren't made, projects stall, opportunities are missed, and stress builds. It's like being stuck at a crossroad while the traffic of life continues to zoom past. Imagine a scenario where a team can't decide on a project direction. Each day of delay is not just a missed deadline, but a potential domino effect of inefficiencies. Decisiveness isn't about rushing. It's about efficiently processing information and making timely decisions that keep things moving forward. One effective strategy is to set personal deadlines for decision-making. Give yourself a specific timeline, say 24 hours or a week, to choose a course of action. This self-imposed deadline cuts through potential procrastination and compels a commitment, ensuring that indecision doesn't morph into a time-wasting habit. Decide swiftly, act promptly. Moving on to social media distractions. In today's fast-paced world, social media can be a double-edged sword. While it keeps us connected, unscheduled browsing during work hours can significantly eat into our productivity. Ever found yourself just checking LinkedIn or Twitter and suddenly half an hour has passed? You're not alone. This distraction is not just about lost time, it's about broken concentration. Each time we divert our attention from a task to scroll through social media, we fragment our focus, making it harder to engage deeply when we return to work. The cost? Decreased efficiency and ultimately the quality of our output. Fortunately, there are tools designed to help. Applications like Freedom and Stay Focused allow users to block distracting websites during work hours, helping to maintain a clear boundary between work and leisure browsing. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate breaks, but to control them. Keep your focus sharp and your notifications off. Scene script number 5, the myth of multitasking. In the bustling world of work, multitasking often wears the crown of efficiency. But here's a twist. Multitasking could actually be slowing you down. When you split your focus across multiple tasks, none receive your full attention, leading to a decrease in overall quality and an increase in mistakes. Research shows that our brains are not wired for handling several tasks at once. Instead, they switch rapidly between tasks, which can exhaust mental resources quicker than focusing on one task at a time. This constant switching not only tires you out, but also stretches out the time it takes to complete each task. Imagine this. When you focus solely on one project, your mind becomes more agile, allowing for deeper concentration and creativity. This focused approach results in faster completion times and higher quality work. So, next time you're tempted to juggle multiple tasks, remember the power of singular focus. Do one thing at a time and do it well. At 6, we have overcommitting. In the bustling whirlwind of daily tasks, it's all too easy to find oneself drowning in an ocean of commitments. From agreeing to spearhead new projects at work to volunteering for every community event, the line between being helpful and overstretching oneself becomes blurred. This chronic overcommitment isn't just a minor hiccup. It drains energy and diminishes the quality of work across all areas. The key to breaking free from this cycle is mastering the art of saying no. It's about understanding that time is a finite resource and prioritizing tasks is crucial. Start by evaluating the importance and urgency of each request. Does it align with your primary goals? Will it significantly impact your productivity or personal life balance? Learning to decline opportunities gracefully preserves relationships while ensuring you don't compromise on your priorities. It might feel awkward at first, but setting these boundaries is essential for managing stress and enhancing overall productivity. Remember, saying no can sometimes mean saying yes to more important things. As scene script, 7th on our list is poor communication. Imagine trying to assemble a complex piece of furniture with instructions that are vague or outright confusing. Frustrating, isn't it? This mirrors the chaos often seen in professional settings due to unclear communication. When messages are ambiguous, it forces teams to waste precious time deciphering them, leading to delays and errors. Clear communication is more than just sharing information. It's about ensuring the message is understood exactly as intended. This means being precise with words, choosing simplicity over complexity, and confirming that the message has been comprehensively received and understood. Consider this. A simple misunderstanding about a project's deadline can cascade into a series of wasted efforts, rescheduled meetings, and rushed decisions. Each of these missteps pulls valuable time away from productive work. Effective communicators strive to eliminate ambiguities. They know that clarity in communication is akin to clarity in thought and action. Clear words lead to clear actions. Number 8, unorganized workspaces. Imagine stepping into a workspace where papers are piled high, supplies are scattered, and finding a simple pen feels like a treasure hunt. This chaos isn't just visually unappealing, it's a colossal time waster. Every minute spent rummaging through clutter to locate a document or a digital file is a minute not spent productively. Now let's talk solutions. The first step towards reclaiming that lost time is a thorough decluttering. Remove everything that isn't essential and then introduce organizational tools. Consider using drawer organizers, label makers, and digital tools that help categorize and quickly retrieve information. Moreover, adopting a clean desk policy isn't just about physical tidiness. It extends to your digital desktop too. Regularly clear out unnecessary files and keep your digital documents meticulously organized. This not only speeds up retrieval time, but also reduces the mental clutter that can impede creative thinking. Remember, every object in your space should have a home. When everything has a place, efficiency increases, stress decreases, and overall productivity soars. A tidy space equals a tidy mind. Second to last, the fear of delegation. In the bustling world of business, the reluctance to delegate is a silent time thief. It's a common misconception that handling everything oneself is faster or more efficient. However, this approach not only bogs down progress but also prevents team members from growing their skills. Imagine a scenario where a manager, overwhelmed with tasks, refuses to hand over even the smallest responsibilities. This not only leads to a bottleneck in workflow, but also to burnout. The key here is trust. Trusting your team with tasks not only lightens your load, but also empowers them, building confidence and competence across the board. Effective delegation starts with understanding each team member's strengths and assigning tasks accordingly. It's about clear communication, defining expectations, setting deadlines, and providing the necessary resources. Remember, delegation isn't about losing control, it's about optimizing it. By entrusting tasks to others, leaders can focus on higher-level strategic planning and decision-making. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a proactive, engaged team environment. Delegate to elevate your productivity. Finally, perfectionism. It's often lauded as a virtuous quality, the hallmark of the meticulous and the dedicated. However, perfectionism can be a profound time waster, especially in environments that demand speed and adaptability. Imagine this. A project that could be completed in 2 hours takes 5, simply because the details needed to be just right. Not just good, but perfect. This pursuit of an unblemished outcome can lead to endless cycles of revisions, tweaks, and second-guessing. It's not just about doing well, it's about achieving an impossible standard that, frankly, might not even be noticed by others. Let's pivot our mindset. Instead of aiming for perfection, why not strive for progress? By focusing on making consistent improvements, we can move projects forward more efficiently, learn from the process, and adapt on the fly. This approach not only saves time, but also spares us the paralyzing fear of making mistakes. Remember, aim for progress, not perfection. We've covered the top 10 ways people may be wasting your time. From the endless meetings that could have been emails to the chaos of unorganized workspaces, each point offers a chance for you to reclaim precious minutes of your day. Reflect on these habits and consider how adjusting them could streamline your schedule and enhance your productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.